Cool. So what we have right now is this, and then we want our free side to be on the same side as our needle side. We go ahead and check. That pulls it nicely together. And then we can just instrument tie like we would for any other suture.
I think the lidocaine is a good idea.
I think so too. Lidocaine is usually a good idea.
I am glad. Well, at first when we were going to do the washout, he was like, I don't know. And I was like, you know,
I think you're going to want it.
let me show you the bottle.
I could feel all that tugging going on down there, and it's like,
It's better to not have the full effect. You know, you could.
Yeah,
but
right now it just feels like
No point in being
like,
brave at this
you
point.
just know that someone's touching you and poking and
yeah, it's like a
tugging
kitten's batting my elbow or something
Oh,
like
that
that.
sounds so cute. I've never heard anyone phrase it in that way. It sounds so romantic to have like a cute little kitten just like. Yeah, that's not really quite what I envision it as, but you know, I like the way you put it. Sounds very finessed when you put it that way.
But I think, yeah, I'm sure it is very finessed.
So the big thing is just that you're trying to emerge right below the epidermal junction. Yeah.
Harder to see with all the blood, but yeah.
A little bit.
You gonna do 3?
In terms of the number of throws, or
3 deep.
we'll see how much it takes to take the tension off. The biggest idea is that all the tension should be on your deep sutures. That should not be in the skin sutures.
Okay.
Otherwise, it's going to impair your skin healing because it's going to cut back on the amount of blood flow that you're getting to that skin edge.
This is like a port closure in my head. That's what we did in Gen Surge.
Oh, fair. Yeah, it's not the U-stitch that they often do in Gen Surge,
Okay.
but it's the same idea, basically.
Yeah, it's superficial.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, my approach is always start in the middle, and then try to just kind of divide it up into, like, keep dividing it in half. So keep bisecting whatever space you have left.
And these don't count towards what we said.
Oh, you have guesstimates going?
Yeah.
Okay.
And these don't count.
What's your guesstimate?
I said 12. He said 15. And she said 13.
So is this Price is Right rules that not going over?
I think
I feel like
we
it's
can
going to be
disavow
between
those.
12
That's
and I
always
think one of us
seems
is going to
so
be
cheap.
right. Would you like to put a wager in, Patty?
I'm going more. Are we Price is Right rules? Closest without going over?
No,
we're just close.
I would have to be close to the 10 to 12.
Okay, so you're going with 11 because I chose 12.
Okay, sure.
All right. And I said, I will do my job. No cheating.
No. You're going to do whatever is clinically appropriate.
Exactly. There's actually, we're not betting on anything. It's just like bragging, right? So
Yes, of
that's the
course.
point.
No.
Mm-hmm. Maybe like a pin or...
A pin.
I'll print out a certificate.
You could go over to the deck and get a sticker.
There we go.
Little gold star
The
sticker.
bead section.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
That's our peds.
I haven't had a gold star sticker since
Well,
third
you
grade.
deserved one. This day.
I don't know. I think
I was incredibly impressed to hear that you biked yourself home, got in your car, drove here, parked yourself, walked like 3 blocks to get to the emergency department. Oh, wow.
I added that in to show you.
Yeah. This would be a
state
very
of
reasonable
being.
thing. A lot of people would call an ambulance, but that's cool.
I thought about doing that, but that was like when I was in shock right after it happened,
Yeah.
and
You should see his picture in front of the emergency room. It's like his elbow bleeding with the emergency sign behind
Oh,
him.
this is being well documented, apparently. This entire experience.
sure.
Okay. Well, I'm very proud to be a part of your documentation.
I didn't get everybody involved, but yeah.
I feel honored.
just practical, I could line everybody up for a group photo. And,
I would pose for a group photo with you if you wanted.
It always reminds me of David Letterman had some kind of heart attack or something like that.
Yeah.
I mean, he almost died, and he brought all the people that were involved in saving him onto his show and said, I wouldn't be doing this show if it wasn't for these great people here.
So you're going to create a top 10 list?
Do you have
You need to find 10 different
connections
people
to a
and
show?
have a top 10 list. Top 10 things when you come to an emergency department. Sometimes you get graham crackers and orange juice. Or apple juice.
Saltines if we're feeling real generous.
Oh, no. Real generous is
Sandwich.
graham crackers that you can scoop up peanut butter with. So you take the
okay.
graham crackers and you scoop up the peanut butter. That's luxurious.
We have a sandwich that,
The sandwich isn't any good, though.
no.
It looks
But
not
it is-
so... It's
the
calorically
most
dense.
substance.
Yes, it's calorically dense, but delicious.
Pretty sure it's just turkey with bread. But
It is. There's no mayo or anything. I think it comes with a packet of mustard.
Okay, that doesn't have 90 calories in it.
No. It's like
Peanut
the most.
butter is more
It's most
comforting.
real food that
Yeah,
we
peanut
have.
butter is super calorically dense.
Okay, true. I guess if we're going for caloric density, then our graham crackers and peanut butter might do it for you.
Just might feel like we're giving you more food if we give you
A sandwich.
a sandwich.
Uh-huh.
It comes in a little box with a napkin in it.
We are nothing if not people pleasers.
I count all my calories, so I would have to. I'd have to request a little.
A little breakdown with it?
Yeah, the little
Okay.
nutrition sheet.
Actually, I've never had anyone ask before.
You're also one of the healthier people to come through.
I could probably get pretty close to guesstimating the nutrition in a turkey sandwich.
So what do you do when you're not here in the emergency room?
I ride my bike a lot this summer,
Okay.
but I work at UC Denver in the math department over there.
Oh, lovely. Did you say math department?
Mm-hmm. So just doing research right now, but sometimes teach.
What's your favorite class to teach? Math class?
I think Calculus 2 is my favorite thing to teach.
Barely get through calculus one, the one topic.
Calculus 2 or Calculus 3?
Oof. Yeah, I was gonna say.
I don't remember the math I took in college.
I got all my careers done with AP
Did you?
credits. Yep, I
It
was doing
was
math in
math
college.
51. No
Math
idea what kind
51?
of math it was, but that was the course, math 51. It wasn't I know it wasn't calculus because I did calculus in high school, so it was something else, but couldn't
All
tell you.
right. So I think we have you at least so that your skin edges are now almost kissing.
Okay.
So now we just need to
Make sure that's
do the part where we're all guessing at. So the challenge is that some of this is actually.
You didn't have to break out any scissors and snip too much away, right?
But I do want to do a little bit of debridement just to try to make sure that we have an actual fresh edge. So that you're
Yeah.
going fresh edge to fresh edge.
yeah.
It's not like a nice scalpel.
No,
thing,
it's
right?
more
not
like
a straight line. This is like a.
some got rubbed away, some got.
Road burn,
Yep.
as we affectionately call it.
You did a good job, though. You should be proud of yourself. You didn't just like do it a little bit. You went all the way.
To the bone. All the way to the bone.
All the way to the bone. Yeah. My finger was kissing the bone.
I thought it was. I mean, I thought that
Right.
right from the very first start.
It's deep.
I'm gonna try to minimize that scar as much as possible, but yes. It will likely still be a bit of a scar.
It's probably not really possible to do one like that without a scar coming out.
Every cut has a scar to some extent. The best things that we can do is get it closed in the most cosmetically appropriate